Borodar Class 2. This is a challenge for some of our Year 2 children. I've had some feedback and they've said, do you know, Miss Nixon, this maths learning is really, really easy. So we're up for a challenge this week. I thought I'd up my game and make things a little bit more tricky. So what you need to do this week is to fill in the missing numbers in the number sums. Now you've got addition and subtraction sums that you need to work out. So your learning objective for this activity is to fill in the missing number in a sum using counting on and counting back strategies, okay? So Miss Nixon is going to show you how you do this using a number line. Now, it's really, really important that you use your work, show Miss Nixon you're working out, because if you've made any marvellous mistakes, this means Miss Nixon is able to find out where you've made your little mistake and help you then to get it right next time, okay? So, the first thing we're going to do is the addition ones. I think you may have done these before, Miss Nixon. I'm just going to rejig your memory, remind you, okay? Remind you what you need to do. So, when I draw my blank number line, and I must always look for the number on this side of the equal symbol. So look at your equal symbol, and the number on this side is the number that we're going to start with. It doesn't matter if it's here or if it's here, as you can see in this one. What we must do is make sure we use the number to the left of the equal symbol. So our number that we need to use is number 12, and I'm going to put that at the very start of my number line. Now, the number I need at the end of my number line will always be the number on this side, on the right-hand side of equals, okay? Which is 19. What you then need to do with your pen or your pencil, you need to count on. Now, you can all do this. When Miss Nixon shouts a number, you always are able to count on. So if I said 6, you'd say 7, 8, 9, 10, etc. So the number that we need to start with is number 12. We need to count all the way up to 19. So this is how we're going to do it. So we start with 12. Do not start with 1. You start with the number that is there. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Then you need to count how many jumps you have made. So I do that again. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Now I'm going to count my jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm just going to check that. So I'm going to put 12 in my head. And I'm going to put 7 fingers up. And I'm going to count on. So 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Yes, I'm happy with that answer. So I will write it in the box. Show you one of those one more time. So remember, looking at this one now, we always use the number to the left of the equal symbol. So again, it is number 12 this time, isn't it? It's to the left of the equal symbol. Now, it doesn't matter. Last time, our number was the third, was here, and this was the blank box, but it's swapped around now, and that's okay. So we're still going to use this number, which is 12. Can you remember what number comes at the end of our number line? Yep, that's right. It's the one on the right-hand side. Your answer number in it, that is 20. And we need to now count on, okay? So 12. Remember, we start at 12. We start with a number that you've written down, 12. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Count my jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7, 8. I'm not going to check that because I'm happy with that, because I know that 2 and 8 make 10 and my 10 here makes 20, so I know that's 8. Okay, now this is where it gets a little bit more tricky, okay, because we're going to have to start counting backwards. All right, we're going to have to start counting. You can count backwards, or you could count on, couldn't you? Okay. So here, what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the biggest number, which is 15. Okay, I'm going to use the biggest number here, which is 15. So 15, take away something, gives us 8. So I'm going to write 15, and my answer 8. And I'm going to count backwards again. So 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. So I'm going to count my jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 15, take away 7. Yeah, that does make 8. Okay, so you need to have a go. I'm not going to do any more for you. You're going to give it a go, okay? And see how you get on. Good luck.